He'll come from the end of his heaven, and the earth shall be torn from its place. Our life shall be filled with His radiance, as the waters covers the sea. Then the lambs lie down with God the Word, and the wine is strong with the ox, and the temple child shall be dead. To the peace of one